Let's make this quick and easy Christmas sign. Well, hello my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you are new, welcome to you as well. This is Christine, your DIY craftaholic, so let's get crafting. I picked up this home sign from the Dollar Tree and we are making a quick door swag or door sign. So I'm just taking the sanding block and sanding it down, and then I'm going to be taping off an area where I don't want to paint. I'm just kind of covering the H and the top of the E. And then I'm taking some green paint. This is apple barrel. And I'm going to be painting the bottom half of this sign. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy you joined me today. Here on my channel, I do DIYs on a budget, dupes, look for less, and some occasional Dollar Tree shopping hauls. If you love budget-friendly DIYs like these and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and be sure to hit that notification bell. Hit it again and select all so YouTube notifies you whenever I upload new videos. And I'm just going in the little creases, making sure that I am covering all the areas that needs to be painted. And because the word home is raised, I had to use a smaller brush and finish the inside. And now I'm going in with red apple barrel paints, and see I got some all over my hands. And I'm doing the top part with that. Now my camera somehow brightens up the red a little bit. I need a new camera, guys. I sometimes use my phone, but I also use a webcam to film. I get better results with the webcam, but now the setting seems to be off, so I'm getting discolored. And a little part was not covered properly, so I'm just using the paintbrush to cover that. And then I use the same tape and cover the home, the top of the H, because I'm painting in that section, and I'm just winging it, guys, because you notice I did not cover the red part, but it worked. And here I'm just going in with some black paint, and this is the black chalk paint from the Dollar Tree. And because I don't want the other areas to be messed up, I have to take my time. Now that's done, I decided that I needed something else, so I'm going in with a piece of jute cord to just glue that down on the line where the white and the red meet. And I placed another piece above the green and white as well. And now it's time to embellish. I got this ribbon from a friend and it's a little bit thick. So I'm taking the Dollar Tree buffalo check ribbon and I'm gluing that on top of it. Not all the way, just adding the hot glue in sections. And once I think that I had enough, I did the awareness fold, scrunch it up in the middle. Well, that's how I started out by making the bow. But like I said, it was a little thick and very hard to work with, so I changed my mind and did it separately. I did two pieces and now I'm just crossing them up on top of each other, slanting them, and then taking the jute cord to tie that, and then just fluff that up a little bit. And then I made the tails. Same thing, glue the buffalo check on top of the burlap and then just fold up the middle and glue that down. And I also dovetail the ends and use the lighter to burn off the fuzzes or to singe it. The beauty about these laser cut signs from the Dollar Tree, guys, is that you don't need a stencil, you don't need to write anything because the word is already there. All you have to do is just paint it. And if you're liking this video so far, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and don't forget the bell. Can you believe it, guys? We are a day away from Thanksgiving. Now, who is ready for Thanksgiving? I can't believe this year has gone on so fast. But we give thanks, right? We learn to give thanks in all things. The Bible says, give thanks in all things. But I hope you all have a very peaceful and loving Thanksgiving when it comes, and enjoy the time with your family and don't eat too much. I love this one so much, I thought I'll just jump in today and show you this one. So if you're out and about in the Dollar Tree and you want to recreate this, just grab one of these wooden home laser cutout signs. So as you saw, I glued down the ribbon, glue down the bow, the tails first, and then the bow on top of that. And then I added my greenery. And then to keep the tails from hanging too low, I kind of fold them in and glue them down. And now I'm adding some pine cones. If you saw my video 5 under 5, I will link that one right there. In it I showed how I found these when I went to the park. And I was so happy. But the Dollar Tree does sell pine cones. I have never seen them when I've been in there, but they do have them. So if you're looking for pine cones, check them out as well. And now that's done, I am loving it so far. Now for my hanger, I thought of using the buffalo check, but that was too much. So I used a piece of the jute. I added some wooden beads. I got these from Walmart. And then the pieces that I cut from the dovetail, I just used those to cover the end of the jute. And this is done, guys. Quick and easy. Let me know what you think. And here is a picture of the final reveal. Now, thank you for watching, guys. I do have another video coming on Sunday, so stay tuned. And if you love budget-friendly content like this, I suggest this video right here. Or to binge watch a little more, I suggest this playlist. And stay safe, my friends, till my next one. Bye!